Hi. In this short video, actually no. It's not so short because Noseby 3.0 comes with quite a few new features and we'd love to show you some of them. Did you know that Noseby 3.0 was published exactly on the day of Noseby's 9th birthday? It was a big thing for us. That's why our company logo has also evolved. The greatest changes introduced were business accounts, roles and projects, and a completely new design. Every day, we listen to our users to finally make it right in version 3.0. Project roles. Team owner is now called team admin. He or she will be able to nominate another team member to be a team admin as well. This makes managing larger teams a lot easier. In Noseby 3.0, you can nominate additional admins and guests for various projects. Thus, if some of your employees are on holiday, you can still work effectively. Project admin is a person who created the project, can edit project description, invite others, and complete it. User is a person who can fully participate in the project by adding tasks, delegating and modifying them, and adding comments. Guest is a person who can only see tasks but cannot modify them or add any new ones. They can, however, comment on and complete the tasks assigned to them. We believe this is a perfect feature for contractors or studios working with external clients. This way, they can participate in your project in a limited way, and you don't have to send emails to each other. Those are the project roles in Noseby 3.0. If you have a pro version of Noseby, you can assign 2 admins per project, 2 admins per team, and 1 guest per project. With Business Account, you can assign unlimited admins and guests. New design. As you can see, the task details section in Noseby 3.0 was broadened for a better experience while reading and writing comments. Parameters buttons now have a fixed position to allow you to set them as quickly as possible. Our master column with task lists also looks different. There are many small changes to let you find everything in the blink of an eye. For example, check this brand new icon for overdue tasks. Hope you don't see it too often. New features. We know that you were waiting for it for a long time. Now you can log into your Noseby account via Google Sign-In. When you log in and start checking your tasks, you'll see new buttons on the bottom of the screen. Those are shortcuts to the previous and next task. They're great for doing a weekly review or catching up on new comments. This one hides the task details and lets you get back to your task list view. If you use the project templates before the 3.0 release, you would have needed a project to be able to create a new template. We've simplified this process. Now you can create a new template and edit it directly in the templates view. If you want to check all of your tasks in one view, you can do it in the Teams section. Of course, you can filter and sort it as you wish. By the way, there are new filtering and sorting options available. Mobile features. Noseby Android app was reinforced with some new features. For example, you can share natively Noseby How template links and your affiliate link. We encourage you to benefit from our affiliate program. You can help others and earn extra cash for the stuff you like. Have fun and share your knowledge by publishing your project templates. Tweet about them using Noseby How hashtags, and we will include your work in our collection. Noseby on iPhone has a cool new feature we call the Keyboard Assistant. When typing in a new task, you'll see 3 new buttons above the keyboard. Direction arrow. Usually tasks are added to the top of the list in Noseby. However, sometimes you might want to append them to the bottom. For example, when noting low priority items or when you start a new project and want to enter multiple tasks to the top or bottom. Hashtag key. When adding new tasks, you can use the hashtag notation to mark them with extra parameters like categories, due date, recurrence, or time needed. This way, you can also assign this new task to a specific project. This isn't a new feature, but the hashtag key is now instantly reachable. Priority switch. You can now mark a new task as a priority from any place in the app without leaving the keyboard area. Just tap the star before accepting a task, and whatever it is you're creating is a priority. We also have good news for those of the iPad users who use an external keyboard. The keyboard shortcuts you know and love from our Mac app are now available on iOS as well. Just press Command key to see the list of available shortcuts. We also have a new shortcut, Command arrow up or down to move to the previous or next task on the list. Noseby 3 works better with iOS share extensions. Now it should work with just about any app, and you can share as much stuff as you want. There are more smaller fixes and user experience upgrades in Noseby 3. If you want to stay up to date and learn some new productivity tricks, check out our blog at noseby.com/blog. You are also welcome to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll put up more videos with productivity tips in the future. Stay tuned.